Let's start with the DVDs. This is called a Preschool Prep Pack. This is a box of 4 DVDs. This is also sold as video downloads, and you can watch clips from each DVD on our YouTube channel. If you want to watch it in its entirety, then you can buy all 4 DVDs in this box. We call it our Preschool Prep Pack. It has Meet the Letters, Meet the Numbers, Meet the Shapes, and Meet the Colors. And all 4 DVDs can be watched in English or Spanish. These DVDs are made by Preschool Prep Company. They have over 100 awards. Let's see, some of the awards are Dr. Toy's 100 Best Children's Products. And here is the iParenting Media Award, the Product of the Year Award by Informal Educational Products, and there are a lot more awards, over 100, and it's part of the Preschool Prep series. If you look at the back, it shows clips from each of the videos. Here's a clip from Meet the Letters with the letter Q waving to the crowd. That letter's name is Q. Here's a scene from Meet the Numbers. This is 10, and 10 is one of my favorite characters from Meet the Numbers. Meet the Shapes. There's Star flying through the sky. That's a scene from that movie. And Meet the Colors. There's Blue. You can see testimonials on the back. Entertainment Weekly said it's really refreshing to encounter something that gets tangible results. Meet the Letters combines a basic need, learning the alphabet, with a tried and true method, repetition, all while keeping Junior entertained. We give it an A. All right, let's open them up, but first I'll show you how Meet the Letters works. You'll see the letter will start out as a black letter, like this is the letter A. It will morph into a block letter, and then it will morph into a character, and the character does something fun. It will only say its name. This character's name is A. And then children will remember that that letter is A. Let's open this up. All right. Okay. So when you open this up, there are 4 DVDs inside. Meet the Letters, Meet the Numbers, Meet the Shapes, and Meet the Colors. Let's start with Meet the Letters. This DVD you can watch in English or in Spanish. It was on Amazon.com's new release bestseller list when it was released. Here's a testimonial from a parent who said, "My daughter learned the entire alphabet in a little less than 2 weeks. She's only 2. Preschool Prep Company gets a lot of letters like that every week from parents who are very happy at how fast their children learn the alphabet. Let's see what happens when you open it. When you open it, there's the DVD inside. It shows the run time, which is 40 minutes. And then there's also a 40-minute Spanish video that you can watch as well. It has the W character on the disc, and it says, "Preschool Prep Company, you will be amazed at what your little one can learn." And then you see an ad for the workbook, the coloring book, the flashcards, the board book, and the Lift the Flat book. And then if you take the disc out, there's an ad for Meet the Math Facts inside: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. That is Meet the Letters. Here is the Meet the Numbers DVD. It's also part of the Preschool Prep series. All of the DVDs in the Preschool Prep series have won over 100 awards. They've really won more like 200 awards. This was also on the Amazon.com new release bestseller list, and this has one of the favorite characters from Meet the Numbers, 7. 7 is a dolphin whose name is 7. And if you look, there are 7 fish, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it shows that you can watch the video in English or Spanish. And then if we turn it over, it shows you the number 4, which starts out as a black number, sorry, and it morphs into a color red number with a dark red outline, and then that morphs into the character 4. And the character 4 does a really fun scene in that video. And the fun thing about this number 4 is that there are 2 different ways that you can write a 4. One has a triangle on the top, and one is like this, and this character will show you both ways to write a 4. And there's our numbers 1, 2, and 3. There are some parent testimonials back here. This one says, I played Meet the Numbers for my 4-year-old son who could count but didn't recognize numbers yet. While watching with him, my 1 and 3-year-old daughters learned their numbers too. They know all of their numbers after watching this video 3 times. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, there's a disc, and the disc has the 7 character as well. This shows the runtime as approximately 30 minutes. And again, you can watch this video in Spanish as well. That runtime is 30 minutes too. And then we have an advertisement over here on this side for Meet the Numbers. The Preschool Prep Company workbook has a section for Meet the Numbers inside. The coloring book. The flashcards, and that shows you the 4 when it's in the other form. The board book, Meet the Numbers 1 to 10, and the Lift the Flat book. And this shows you down here that there are apps available, ebooks, easy reader books, flashcards, workbooks, and coloring books that you can buy for the Preschool Prep series. And if you take the disc out, which you do by pushing the circle like this, and then the disc pops out, and then you see an ad also for Meet the Math Facts inside. Okay. This is the Meet the Shapes DVD. It's also part of the Preschool Prep series. It's in both English and Spanish. It has the circle character on the front. This character's name is Circle. And when children watch this video, the only thing that this character will tell you is its name, which is Circle. And children will very quickly realize that when they see this shape, its name is going to be Circle. And they'll learn their shapes very quickly. This video got DVD of the Year by Creative Child Magazine, along with a lot of other awards. Let's see, this one is the Family Choice Award winner, and DVD of the Year by Creative Child Magazine, which we just talked about. Informal Educational Products Product of the Year Award. This character's name is Diamond, and let's turn it over and see the back. It says, learning shapes has never been so much fun. Children will fall in love with these wonderful characters as they meet the shapes. Children who watch Meet the Shapes can easily learn to identify and name 8 common shapes. Preschool Prep Series DVDs have won over 100 awards and are used in millions of homes and schools around the world. You will be amazed at what your little one can learn. You can see here that the shape will start out just black, like you would just see the shadow of the shape, and then it morphs into a color that's going to be the same color as the character, and then it morphs into the character. This character's name is Star. And this character will do a cute scene, and children will know that the next time that they see this, it's going to turn into their favorite character named Star. It shows you the bonus features. You can choose the barn dance, where you see all of your favorite shapes dancing. You can dance with the shapes. You can select that menu item, and you can pick a shape and you can dance with that shape. And it also has video flashcards, which all of these DVDs have. And it features circle, diamond, octagon, oval, rectangle, square, star, and triangle. When you open it up, you have the DVD inside, and it has the triangle character on the front. The runtime is approximately 30 minutes. And over here you can see all of the Meet the Shapes products. The workbook, Meet the Shapes has a section in the workbook. the coloring book, flashcards, board book, and lift the flat book. And there's triangle as well. Let's take the disc out, and you can see an ad for Meet the Math Facts inside. It also gives you a phone number where you can call and order more products, 866-451-5600, or go to www.preschoolprepco.com. And here's Meet the Colors, the last video in the Preschool Prep series. This video has two colors on the front. This color's name is red, and this color's name is orange. When children watch this video, they will learn that the name of this character is orange and the name of this character is red. They'll fall in love with these characters and they'll quickly learn their colors. This video is recommended for ages 9 months to 5 years. There's an English version and a Spanish version inside, so you can learn your colors in English or Spanish. This video got DVD of the Year also from Creative Child Magazine. And it's part of the Preschool Prep series, which has won over 100 awards. And this says, Preschool Prep Company, you will be amazed at what your little one can learn. Let's see the back. The back shows us, this video starts with a blue screen, and it morphs into a character that the color is blue, and then it morphs into a character that does something fun, and this character's name is Blue. There will be a part at the beginning of every scene where the only difference between each color character is their color. So children are going to have to remember that this character's name is Blue, and they'll quickly learn that this is the color blue. The video features red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, black, and white. All of the primary colors plus black and white. And this is from Parenting Magazine. They said, adorable walking, talking daubs of color perform magic tricks, paint pictures, and sing songs in this Valentine to the hues of the rainbow. This one says, after trying everything we could to teach our toddler colors, it only took a few viewings of this video to do the trick. We are amazed.